All right, you won this one. Come on out. Soldier, how did you get that close to me?
Sniper! Approach the instructor by being a sneaky bastard!
Hey guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers, Blowers, and Guns. Good afternoon. How's everybody doing? Hope you guys enjoyed my most recent When Shit Hits the Fan series on go bags and Survival 101. Go check out that episode because you just never know when you're gonna need a bug out bag. Anyway, a couple of days ago, my friends over at Raiseek, they're a Chinese manufacturer of gun accessories, rifle accessories that they sell on Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description if you guys want to go check out their entire lineup of accessories for your firearms. They contacted me to ask me whether or not I would review one of their newer featured products, and I said sure. But in the meantime, send me some of this stuff because I'll need it. So I got the box today. I'll open up what they want me to feature first. And that is their new gun cleaning kit. Cool. Everything you need to clean your guns. The terry cloth for your barrel, thin, thick. Man, what size barrel am I gonna clean with this? Even a 50 BMG is not that thick. Well, might be. So this is for cleaning a small cannon. All different sizes here with these cleaning pads, barrel bristles, and handles of different sizes for 22, 9mm, 223, 5.56, 308, 7.62, in a nice little convenient carrying case. It's a good item. Go check out the link in the description if you'd like to get a nice gun cleaning kit. Like I said, I saw some other things that I didn't have off their Amazon site, and I said I could use them, and they were very generous enough to send it to me. So, as you guys know from my previous episodes on my gun channel, I have 3 rifles. I have a homemade, not homemade, but I built it myself, completely, everything. My AR-15. So I use 223 and 5.56 ammo, as well as an AR-9, so I use 9mm. And while they did send me last time magazine pouches for my operator's belt, although I'm not an operator, but I do want to look like one. So I have an operator's belt. And on the operator's belt, I can put my mag pouch, which is a 6 magazine for 223, 5.56 magazines. But then I thought, well, you know what? I don't really have any place to put my 9mm magazines. So I have a few holster type, double magazine holster type things that you clip on your belt. But this one, this model holds 3 223 5.56 magazines and also 2 regular magazines for like Glock 9mm or something like that, or whatever you can fit in there. I'm sure it'll fit a 1911 45 or some 380, stuff like that. So I can put 3 of my 9mm mags as well as my AR mags over here. So that's very cool. In the back, you have the mole type straps that you can clip on your plate carrier like that, or your operator's belt. Again, I'm not an operator. I just play one on TV. In the other box, I saw this on there. Now, while I have a sling, I'm short. I'm like 5'7". So I have a 1-point sling in the back. On the back of, right above the grip. And so that 1-point sling, even though it hangs around my neck and my shoulders, when I let go of it, the barrel is almost hitting my ankle, so it's pretty low. I think it's meant for guys that are like 6'2" or something like that. Anyway, I saw this sling on there. It's genuine leather, and I thought it was really cool. So you can find this on their Amazon store as well. Looks to be an excellent quality. Cowhide, I believe. They also have buffalo hide if you were interested. But I like the color. I like the fact that it's somewhat short, you know, so I can put it on my AR and just sling it over my shoulder or something like that. It was something that I wanted to check out, you know. The next thing I saw was, I mentioned I have an AR-9. I have about 5,000 rounds and 9mm ammo, as well as about 13 or 14 Glock magazines. Takes Glock 17, 19, 36, 26, 34. And so they have this really cool 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 magazine pouch. So I can stuff most of my magazines here instead of, you know, grabbing them loosely and putting it in a range bag. You know, I have an organized little pouch here that's Velcroed, so you can close it up. And over here on the outside, you could put like your patches and stuff like that, which is really cool. Also, it can also attach to your plate carrier or some kind of belt straps, you know. So that's very cool. I really wanted one of these. And here are some of these straps, as well as patches too. Here, I'll show you a patch or two. These are small patches, but it come on, man. So I've got 9mm ones, 45 ACP, 40 Smith & Wesson. So it has all these, you know, little patches here. Not that you really need to describe what you have. You can just see what it is, you know. And these are things that you can clip onto the back over here so that you could attach it to your plate carrier or your operator's belt. So that's very cool. Thank you very much for sending that to me. What the hell? I'll show you how to work this thing. So these are these plastic clips. And you just press them to do that, and then you could put it over your belt or something. It's pretty cool, right? Snaps right into place. Easy to use. Not bad. Okay, the final thing in the box is a pretty big box. And I figured I could use this too. Everybody really that has multiple rifles needs this. I think I need to put it together first though. It's a stand to place your rifle, assembled or disassembled, and you use that to clean. So you don't have to hold it while you're spraying, doing whatever. It's a stand. I'm going to put this together for you and see how it works. So it's very cool. I had to kind of put some stuff together. I'll show you in a second. But it folds up like this. So that's your block, right? And then you just lift this part, push it down, lift this part, push it down, and check this out. You open it up like that, and now you can rest your rifle right here, and you can clean it easily without, you know, having to hold it or something like that, you know? This part over here is rubber, has a rubber like gasket-ish type grommet looking thing so that it doesn't scratch up your firearms. And it's pretty sturdy when it's snapped into place. Like I said, you can just put it back together again easily. This area here, you can put your cleaning supplies, although it doesn't fit the rods, you know. They also gave me these, so it won't fit the rod, so you still have to put it somewhere, you know. So I mean, I wish you could put your rods in here, but you can put other crap in here, you know, like oil or something like that. Yeah. Oil, brushes. Use old toothbrushes instead of throwing them out. You can use them to clean your guns. Put your oil there, close it up, and pack it away, you know, into another spot somewhere, you know. Like that. Anyway, so I had to put these stoppers on. On the bottom, there are these 8 stoppers. Just plastic. It was easy to put on. They gave me 9. So I'm looking around going, did I miss one? Or is this just extra in case you lost it? Rip! So, you know, easy to put together. I always wanted a stand because, you know, very rudimentary. I'm sitting on the floor, I'm holding my rifle, I'm cleaning it and stuff like that. I want to do it on the table. I have a nice stand now where I can put my supplies all in one area and be able to clean my rifle. I always wanted something like this. This is cool. Thanks a lot to Raiseek for sending me these wonderful accessories. Like I said, I will leave a link in the description for the Raiseek Amazon store. And be sure to check them out because, you know what? They're very reasonably priced. I mean, really good prices. Not bad at all. And it's free shipping. And I got these in 2 days. Fast shipping. When they told me they were going to send it, 2 days later, I got in the mail. Fantastic. Thanks again to Raiseek for sending me all this good stuff. And see you guys next time on Mowers, Blowers, and Guns.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Henry from Mowers and Blowers. As a YouTuber that deals with small engine equipment on a daily basis, I worry about the harmful effects of the 10% ethanol that's in your unleaded gas from your gas station. Here on the East Coast, as winter nears, I think about storing my summer lawn equipment for the winter. Ethanol absorbs moisture, and what it does is it could rust or corrode and clog up your jets in your carburetor. That's why I use Ethanol Safeguard with stabilizers from my friends over at Lucas Oil Products. Before you store your machines, a little bit of Lucas goes a long way. When you're ready to use your machines again, fire sale! Hey, if you guys enjoyed the video, remember to give me a like. Also, comment below. Subscribe. Remember, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's free, right? Also, hit that little bell. That way you'll get post notifications whenever there's a new video and you won't miss out on any of them. Remember to follow my Instagram and Facebook, as well as if you'd like to donate $1 or $2, paypal.me/mowersandblowers. Really appreciate all the support. Also, to keep the videos coming every day, support the channel. Bye.